Hello everybody. Today I'll be going to recite another 30 selected terminologies from topic 5, 3 physiology. Number 1, active transport. A kind of transport wherein ions or molecules move against a concentration gradient, which means movement in the direction opposite that of diffusion, or movement from an area of lower concentration to an area of a higher concentration. Hence, this process will require expenditure of energy and the assistance of a type of protein called a carrier protein. Number 2, ameloplast. Organelle found in some plants that help store and synthesize starch when a plant is in need of energy. Ameloplast can also convert its starch back into sugar for food. Many ameloplasts can be found in starchy plants like potato tuber. Number 3, cell membrane. A slim layer of fat and protein that surrounds a cell, though it's still located inside the cell wall. It is semi-permeable, which means it allows for some substances to pass through it while keeping others out. Number 4, cell wall. A tough ragged layer that surrounds a plant cell. So the cell wall is located outside the cell membrane and acts to support, filter incoming substances, and protect the cell from overexpansion due to water intake. Cell wall can also attach to other cell walls to help form the structure of a plant. Number 5, chlorophyll. A green molecule vital for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll captures light energy from the sun in order to convert the carbon dioxide into water and oxygen and sugar for plant consumption. Number 6, cotyledon. One of the first leaves of embryo is on a seed plants or a seed leaf. And number 7, cytoplasm. A gooey substance that contains all the cell organelles outside the nucleus. Most cellular activity occurs within the cytoplasm. Number 8, dicotyledon. Flowering plants that have two seed leaves that emerge after germination. Number 9, endosmosis. An osmosis movement of water into the cell sap when it is placed in a hypotonic solution. Number 10, eukaryote. Cells that contain a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Number 11, exosmosis. An osmotic movement of water from the cell sap to outside when it placed to hypertonic solution. Number 12, imbibition. A phenomenon of adsorption of water or any other liquid by dissolved particles of a substance without forming a solution. Here, in this process, liquid molecules move from the region of a high partial pressure to low partial pressure. Number 13, facilitated diffusion. Facilitated diffusion is an assisted diffusion in a way that it requires a carrier molecule. Number 14, gelation. Conversion of hydrosols to gels. Number 15, gels. Are thick semi-solid elastic colloidal system which are formed by hydrophilic sols. A gel is a reverse of sol. Number 16, hydrophilic colloid. Reversible colloid like starch in water. Number 17, hydrophobic colloid. A reversible colloid like metallic colloids. Number 18, eophilic. Eophilic is a solvent hating. Then ang number 19, eophobic is solvent loving. Then ang number 20, matric. Any colloidal or gel-like substance which can imbibe water. Number 21, mitochondria. Rod to spherical shape organelles which contains a double membrane or mitochondria's function is to convert glucose into ATP in order to power the cell. Number 22, molecules. An extremely particles or substance, or especially a cellular structural level to the smallest level of an element compounds made up of two or more atoms that held together by strong chemical bond. Number 23, monocotyledon. Flowering plants that have one seed left that emerge after germination. Number 24, nucleolus. An organelle contains within the nucleus where ribosomal RNA is formed. Number 25, nucleus. The brain of the cell. It controls many of its functions through protein synthesis and contains the DNA motosiyang in the form of chromosomes. Number 26, phloem. Phloem is the food conducting tissue of avascular plants. Number 27, plant physiology. Plant physiology is the study of life activities, responses, functions, and function of plants. Number 28, prokaryote. Cells that lack organelles in a nucleus. Number 29, ribosome. Ribosome is a tiny organelles that made up of RNA-rich cytoplasmic granules in which protein synthesis occur. Number 30, the last one is xylem. Xylem is the water conducting tissue of avascular plants.